friends, I'm Manoj Maheshwar and welcome you all in the show India's upcoming superstars. और आज है मेरे साथ एक और most talented and upcoming and reputed face Agastya Verma. Hi Agastya.
Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm fine and welcome the show. आज हम बात करेंगे मिलेंगे अगस्त्या से एक और नया चेहरा, लेकिन इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारा काम कर चुके हैं, एड फिल्म, टीवी शोज, वेब सीरीज, मेनी मोर, और जानेंगे हम इनसे। और आज बहुत सारे अपकमिंग टैलेंट्स इस समय देख रहे हैं अगस्त्या को, और अगस्त्या इस समय सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं बल्कि पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लिए, बल्कि अपकमिंग एक्टर्स के लिए जो इनको देख रहे हैं उन सब के लिए प्रेरणा बनने वाले हैं। बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड लॉट अबाउट अगस्त्या। आज मैं खुद सुनूंगा और आप सब सुनेंगे मेरे साथ। तो अगस्त्या, describe yourself in 2 lines about Agastya.
Agastya is okay. First of all, let me say, like a lot of people ask about what does it mean of Agastya. Agastya is the second name of Lord Shiva, and about me, I work as an actor and performer, and I started my career as a theatre personality since 2011, and today I'm still as an actor only. I'm working. I have a lot of stuff. I have done more than 200 print ads with renowned brands. I have done short film which is running on Disney Plus Hotstar, and the song is running on MX Player. I have done documentaries. I have done theatre. A lot of stuff I have done, and some upcoming stuff is coming.
And one more thing और लगती है एजुकेशन, पढ़ाई कहाँ तक हुई है आपकी, कुछ उसके बारे में?
Yes,
What is your education?
Yes,
Academic.
I am very much graduate from Ahir College, Rewari. I am from Haryana, and I passed out from there. Then after that, I moved myself to Delhi. Then I pursued my theatre workshops, and after that, I started my career. The career begins.
So you are in the industry since 10, 13,
Since-
14 years.
Yeah, yes. I am in this industry since 2011, and I worked as a theatre personality. I started my career in theatre only, and I got a small role of a poet, and after that,
And this play, where you performed this play?
the play was performed in JNU. I forgot to tell some good things about theatre as well. I started my career in I started my career as a theatre personality from JNU. I had workshops from there, and after that, it was so much into. I got a lot of appreciation, and I got a lot of appreciations, and after that, the career began.
Even I have a long and a very deep relation with JNU.
JNU.
Good to know that you are also from JNU. Whatever you have done, but in theatre only, you got. Because in fact, I have been to JNU and I have done lots of, workshops.
Okay.
Because as you know that we also have acting institute.
Okay.
So we keep giving workshops on theatre, on cinema, Bollywood career.
Yes, yes.
So we keep giving.
Yeah, that's great. So JNU, like I don't know what exactly the mentality of people about JNU. JNU is something Kranti. People are there and all.
No, but I have seen JNU. That is a different place at all.
Yeah, it's a-
overall, it's a different. I've felt the this aura. दिल्ली में आप जाते हो, JNU में एक अलग ही aura है.
Yeah, that's a great atmosphere.
And
over there.
that is the place where I don't miss Mumbai sometime.
Oh,
yeah.
really? Oh, really? That's
मैं
great.
JNU में था. I stayed there for 2-3 days, long years back, and really I don't keep myself away from Mumbai. But JNU में गया तो वहाँ I stayed there with my friend, long years back, and I felt that best place.
Yes.
रात में कभी भी निकल जाओ,
Yes.
मॉर्निंग में कभी भी उठ
Yes,
जाओ.
there is a very famous.
कोई-
Yes, you are right, sir. Very much, you are right. There is a very famous dhaba, is Ganga Dhaba, and the
Yeah,
chai,
yeah.
and the chai is very famous. This much cup, and what a tea, what a pakoras, what a samosas, what a really great, vibrant atmosphere over there. Whenever you go to JNU, and I used to stay in Munirka, so for me the workshop, I used to take workshop from JNU only because it was very close to me. So I used to go by taking some lifts. So it was easy for me just to reach.
So how you came into cinema after theatre? So you took any professional training, like, or how you began?
One of my friend, let me call his name Uday, okay, and he took me there, and I saw the play, and after watching the play, something ignited me, and then I thought this is the right platform, this is the right thing where I can get a lot of appreciation, and I really get the good output, like as a person, or and like I really want to perform good. So I think Genu workshop, the theater workshop was the really great. They shaped me very well. The director, Mr. Tariq Hamid, and one more Sam Kuti Patamkari. I just let me call his name as well, and they shaped me very well. And I played a lot of plays over there.
So tell me one thing कि play करते करते, I mean, how many plays you have done so far in theater days?
Let me count it now.
More than 100?
Not 100, but yes, more than 50.
Nearing, okay.
More than 50 I have done. I have performed in JNU, I have performed in Jamia Islamia.
So when you realized that now I should make a move towards cinema from theater,
Okay.
when you realized this? Which year?
Uh,
और you same year में आप साथ में करते थे theater भी cinema भी?
Yeah, no. When I finished my theater workshops and all this, so I got some like nukkad shows I have done. नारी के ऊपर, women empowerment के ऊपर कुछ nukkad shows होते थे वहाँ पे. So I performed that. After that, one of the guy took me to this documentary for Congress. I have done one, and after that, then the career started. Then I given a lot of auditions. Then then got a lot of works. Then I did it. Then the journey began from there only.
तो I mean इंटरव्यू को रोकते हुए एक और गुजारिश, I mean mainly my casting team, casting directors, production houses in Mumbai out there, and personally I have seen many, I mean couple of film, I mean performances, his audition videos Agastya, and I found him awesome. तो हमें बहुत सारा काम देना है अगस्तिया को ताकि ये बिल्कुल बॉलीवुड में बिजी हो जाए. एंड रियली आई फाउंड अगस्तिया दैट ही डिजर्व्स टू बी द नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार. हमारे प्रोग्राम का नाम भी है
So thank you so much.
इंडियाज़ अपकमिंग सुपरस्टार्स.
Wow.
तो ये प्रोग्राम की जो खासियत है अगस्तिया वो यही है कि अपकमिंग एक्टर्स, अपकमिंग टैलेंट्स लाइक यू जो डिज़र्व करते हैं बॉलीवुड में झंडा गाड़ने के लिए, और लोग आप तक शायद सब पहुंच ना पाए, राइट? और जो आपको जानते हो तो ठीक है, लेकिन बहुत से ऐसे प्रोड्यूसर्स होंगे जो आपको नहीं जानते होंगे, तो आज जानेंगे वो भी हमारे इस शो के द्वारा. और बहुत सारे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो मेरे मित्र हैं, फ्रेंड हैं, और वो सब आज जान पाएंगे. और आई एम थैंकफुल आप यहाँ पर आए मेरे इस शो में. तो हम इसको आगे बढ़ाते हैं. हमारा जो अगला सवाल ये है कि अगर कोई अवार्ड आपको, मैं बात पूछूं कि कौन सा अवार्ड आप लेना चाहते हैं, तो आपके लिए कौन सा अवार्ड आपको फैसिनेट करता है
Sir, see,
एज एन एक्टर?
okay, for me, award doesn't matter to be like if I go on stage and get an award, it's okay. This is something like every actor wants. But for me, what is award? Somebody watch me as a person or like as an actor and say, the work you have done fabulous, and they really get inspired by my character. So that's the award which I want from people and like from the audience. So if I get a really great appreciation about my work, that is the award I want. I don't want any. It's okay. This is something like, this is the added charm if I have been called on stage and given that reward. So this is also like, I really welcome this. But yes, the best award I want, the appreciation for my work. That's it.
दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट रिप्लाई फ्रॉम यू. नाउ अभी हम चाहेंगे, अगर मैं इन बिटवीन आई वुड आस्क यू टू गिव ऑडिशन, आप रेडी है इसके लिए? कुछ आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है? कोई सीन थिएटर का हो या कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री का हो, कोई फिल्म का हो?
Okay.
अगर मैं बोलूँ आपको कि अभी मेरे एक्शन कहने के बाद आप शुरू हो जाइए, एक आपका एक एलिमेंट कुछ हम देख पाएँ.
Okay. So you want to see some element?
यस यस यस, आप में एक्टिंग
My
स्किल.
acting skill. Okay.
या ये है, कैमरा इज ऑन, लेंस आपके तरफ,
Okay.
और आप बने हैं कैमरा के लिए. तो रेडी, एक्शन।
ओके, क्या कहा तुमने कि मैंने पी थी? अगर और रहता उस बंद कमरे में तो घुट के मर जाता मैं तुमसे। हजार गुना शिकायतें होंगी मुझे तुमसे। हाँ, मैंने पी थी और शायद मैं और भी पीऊंगा। तुम कौन होती मुझे रोकने वाले? यू नो वन। हाँ, मैं अपने होशो हवास में बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं तुम्हें छोड़कर जा रहा हूँ। गेट आउट। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू सी योर फेस। गेट आउट। आई सेड गेट आउट। डोंट यू लिसन टू मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? थैंक्स।
क्या बात है, दैट्स ग्रेट एंड दैट्स अगस्त्या। अच्छा लगा, मैं तो खो गया था आपने।
I think she said I'm crying. Like
मैं
the short
भूल
was
गया।
like this only when I performed it, so it is only
ये
came up.
ये कहाँ आप परफॉर्म किया था आपने, ये
I
डायलॉग कहाँ?
performed in JNU only. Like
अच्छा।
so that is something like it's registered in my mind to perform it back. But yes, I really loved that performance, and people came, what you have done, man. They really clapped on my performances. That is something I think the great appreciation.
दैट इज ग्रेट। देखो मैंने भी अपनी एक्टिंग की जो ट्रेनिंग है ना, आई हैव डन फ्रॉम पद्मिनी कोल्हापुरी स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग फ्रॉम हौस खास दिल्ली। तो उसके बाद आई हैव डन कपल ऑफ फिल्म सीरीज, टीवी शोज, लेकिन सब याद नहीं है। लेकिन जो मैंने उस समय ड्रामा थिएटर किया था अपने एक्टिंग क्लास के साथ, वो सारे सीन डायलॉग्स याद है।
अरे वाह,
25 ईयर्स बैक की बात है, 25
Wow,
साल
sir.
पहले की बात है,
Wow, sir.
लेकिन वो सारी चीज़ें याद है। दैट्स ग्रेट। जैसे अभी आपने भी अपने जेएनयू के टाइम की
Uh,
डायलॉग बोला आपने, दैट इज ग्रेट। तो आप ये बताओ कि फिजिकल फिटनेस के लिए क्या करते हो आप
okay.
एज एन एक्टर?
As an actor for the physical fitness, what is the great mantra of the of physical fitness? I do run, I do yoga, I do little martial art, and which keeps me active always to go ahead in life as an actor as well. So fitness is something like you more you sweat, more you be good. So this is something which keeps me active. So basically, let me conclude it. More you sweat, more you will be fit. Simple.
वेरी गुड। वन थिंग कि अगस्तिया, नाउ एक्टर अगस्तिया, यू
Okay.
अगस्तिया, एक्टर अगस्तिया, यू योरसेल्फ, आप किस एक्टर के फैन हो? विच एक्टर इंस्पायर्स यू, और आप चाहते हो कि यार इसमें वो बात है?
Sir, I really respect all the actors basically. हर एक्टर में एक पर्सोना होता है, हर एक्टर से मुझे सीखने को मिलता है. But yes, personally, if I really want to name, I love KK Menon.
ग्रेट।
Yeah, I really love his performance. I have seen his film Singer's Blink. Oh my God, what a great performer he is. And let me take some more names. Nana Patekar, I love, and I love Manoj Bajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and all the theatre personalities I love. I really admire them. I really get a lot of great inspiration from them, and whenever I have a chance to watch their film, I never quit. I never skip. So I really love to watch them again and again.
Okay, that's great. And now, which Hollywood actors you want to share screen with? Any one name or two name? One name.
There is a very great actor.
Which film?
I watched Lucy.
Lucy.
Yeah, I don't know, people, you guys have watched it or not. This is something very great film about the memory and the mind power. So there is a great actor, Freak. Walkman. I'm really sorry, I can't name exactly, but yes, there is a great actor and I really admire. But let me say the film Lucy is a great film, and I have seen one more film. Escape Room is a great film, and I really love all the Marvel films. I loved, of course, Spider-Man, Hulk, like all the fascinated films I really love, like the fantasies film you can say, where you see the powers, where you see the exactly the heroes,
Flying.
flying heroes. This is something like out of the
Now
imagine.
tell me, as a kid, जब बच्चे थे आप, तो आई मीन जब आप 7 साल के होंगे या 8 साल के होंगे, तो उस समय अगस्तिया को कौन सा एक्टर पहली बार इंस्पायर किया या लगा कि मुझे ऐसा बनना है, चाहे वो स्पाइडरमैन हो, चाहे वो शक्तिमान हो?
Okay, let me say it. It was. Have you heard of the comics?
यस यस.
There is a comic. There was a Nag.
नाग नाग.
No, there's a comic name. Shaktiman was always favorite. Yes, Shaktiman was my favorite, and I really used to practice over it. So Shaktiman was always favorite.
बहुत से बच्चे उस
And
समय
I-
गिर गए थे छत से, यहाँ
but-
से वहाँ से.
But I was so great fan of it. I bunked a lot of classes. Even my father slapped me many times. My father has a shop. Then he used to say me, go and sit at the shop. I was not keen of sitting over there. So Shaktiman was good. He-Man as a cartoon.
He-Man, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
He-Man was good. Oh my-
Jungle Book?
The Jungle Book I have seen Mowgli, but yeah, He-Man was good. At that time, there was no colorful TV that time.
Yes, yes,
Like,
yes.
So now the He-Man was like first cartoon show which I saw on color television. It was He-Man.
अच्छा, फिल्म वन थिंग कि अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं, मतलब अभी किस किस प्रोजेक्ट में आप लाइन अप हैं और कहाँ बिजी हैं?
Okay,
Right
my upcoming, I recently shot for Escort Tractor for the print shoot, and I recently shot for Dabur Amla. Upcoming one, my 5 songs are coming for Shamaru Haryanvi Gane, and one film is also coming, which is already in pipeline, and 2 more romantic tracks are coming up, and things are going up.
ग्रेट. तो बातें करने के लिए बहुत सारी है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमें इसको विराम देना होगा. अच्छा, अब एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हमारे MFI टीम के बारे में आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
Okay, I want to say about Manoj sir. First of all, I was not expected to meet him, and I forwarded my profile to him, and he really loved it. And when I landed in Mumbai, he was the only one man come to me. I really want to meet you because I loved your work. And when I came here, then I saw his caliber. I saw MFI's caliber. I'm telling you guys, this is a great platform. If you are really the beginners, if you really want to set up your career in cinema, so try to reach to Manoj sir or MFI team. So definitely you will get the wings to fly in cinema. So this is the great platform. So don't miss it, and try to contact Mr. Manoj sir and his team ASAP. So definitely you will get the wings.
Thank you so much for all the golden word. And if you all guys, mainly casting team, producers, EPs, directors, if you all guys want to reach to actor Agastya, you reach first of all this channel and
Yes.
press the link and mention over there. My number is there, my team's number is there. You can contact 24/7 and you can reach to actor Agastya. And of course हम लोग बहुत कुछ अभी चाहते हैं करना अगस्त्या के साथ. एज अ प्रोड्यूसर मी माई सेल्फ सरप्राइज है बहुत कुछ अभी अगस्त्या के लिए.
Thank you so much. It's a great.
अभी
great
रिवील नहीं करूंगा, बट द टाइम विल कम जब देखेंगे. और इसके बाद अगला पॉडकास्ट तभी होगा जब हम कुछ शूटिंग्स, कुछ फिल्में हम साथ में कर चुके होंगे अगस्त्या के साथ, और हमारे ऑडियंस को बहुत कुछ जानने को मिलेगा. एंड अगस्त्या इज डूइंग वेरी हार्ड वर्क एंड वेरी पॉजिटिव विथ पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट. और आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट,
Thank
wish
you,
you
sir.
all the best, and बी हैप्पी, प्रॉस्परस एंड ऑलवेज गेट गुड वर्क, डू गुड वर्क, एंड जल्दी हम मिलते हैं फिर से यहाँ पे। तो अगर हमारे एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स को कुछ आपको नसीहत देना हो एज एन एक्टर, तो क्या आप देना चाहोगे?
Keep practicing. Don't leave your dream. Keep practicing. Always follow. You never know when God knocks the opportunity. So don't worry about it. Keep practicing for your dreams. Definitely you will get it. Do hard work and do smart work as well. So, and thank you so much, sir, for taking me on board for this podcast. And it was a great meeting with you. You given such a great introduction of mine. So I am really very happy to be here, and I wish we meet again for the good things.
ऑफ कोर्स विल मीट अगेन। और एक और बात चाहूँ कहना कि आपके मॉम डैड, आपके पेरेंट को नमस्ते मेरा, सलाम मेरा, एंड आई वुड रियली अप्रिशिएट एंड आई विल थैंक्स टू योर मॉम डैड कि आपने इतने अच्छे पुत्र को जन्म दिया एंड संस्कार अच्छे दिए हैं अगस्तिया में, और आपके संस्कार ही आपको आगे ले जाएंगे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू बी अ प्रोड्यूसर्स एक्टर। एंड आप जान लें कि एक फिल्म का बनाने का पेन क्या होता है। जैसे एक माँ अपने बच्चे को डिलीवर करती है 9 महीने में और उस पेन को ही समझती है, तो वैसे ही एक फिल्म को बनाने में भी जो है समय लगता है। और प्रोड्यूसर्स, बिकॉज मी एज अ प्रोड्यूसर आई हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स, तो मुझे पता है कि क्या पेन होता है। और वो पेन ईजी है जब वो पेन जो है फिल्म बनाने का पेन ईजी होता है जब आप जैसे एक्टर्स हमारे साथ हैं, जो इतने ज़्यादा इतने कम समय में आप इतने घुल मिल गए हो, और लगता ही नहीं है कि मेरा और अगस्तिया का आज पहली मुलाकात है। Isn't it?
He has great persona. He has a great vibes. Like this is like even I'm not exactly like feeling यार come on, this is the first time मैं पहली बार इनसे मिल रहा हूँ। Like ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे बहुत पहले मिल चुके हैं हम। And I just came and just talked and see what a great friendship is here.
Yes, इसी तरह हम हंसते खेलते बहुत सारे फिल्में करेंगे, गाने करेंगे अगस्तिया के साथ, और मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में, हमारे इस एपिसोड में। तो इंडियाज़ upcoming superstars with actor Agastya. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, taking me on board, and it was a great pleasure meeting with you.
Thank you so much, guys. So मिलते हैं वीडियो में. Thank you so much. Good day.
You too.